What is the main organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the human body? B. Heart. Which system in the human body is responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients? C. Circulatory system. What part of the human body is responsible for removing carbon dioxide and bringing in oxygen? A. Lungs. What type of cells in the blood help to fight infections? C. White blood cells. Which organ filters waste from the blood to produce urine? C. Kidneys. How many bones are there in the average adult human body? A. 206. What is the chemical symbol for hydrogen? A. H. What is the most abundant element in the Earth's atmosphere? B. Nitrogen. What type of chemical bond is formed by the sharing of electrons? B. Covalent bond. Which element is represented by the symbol O? A. Oxygen. What is the pH value of water? A. 7. What is the name given to elements in group 18 of the periodic table? C. Noble gases. What is the unit of force in the International System of Units, SI? A. Newton. What property of an object determines its resistance to changes in motion? A. Mass. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? A. 300,000 kilometers per s. What is the term for the energy possessed by an object due to its motion? B. Kinetic energy. What force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? B. Gravity. What is the term for the rate of change of velocity with respect to time? B. Acceleration. What is the largest bone in the human body? A. Femur. What muscle is primarily responsible for breathing? C. Diaphragm. What is the term for the body system that includes the brain and spinal cord? B. Nervous system. Which nutrient is primarily used by the body for energy? C. Carbohydrates. What is the name of the process in which plants produce oxygen and glucose from carbon dioxide and water using sunlight? B. Photosynthesis. What part of the human body produces insulin? A. Pancreas. What is the main component of the sun and stars? A. Hydrogen. Which acid is found in vinegar? B. Acetic acid. What type of reaction occurs when an acid and a base neutralize each other? C. Neutralization. What is the chemical formula for common table salt? A. NaCl. Which gas is released during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. What is the chemical symbol for iron? B. Fe. What What instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? B. Barometer. What is the unit of electrical resistance? A. What phenomenon explains the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another? B. Refraction. What type of lens is used to correct nearsightedness? B. Concave lens. What is the term for the force that opposes motion between two surfaces in contact? B. Friction. Who formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation? B. Isaac Newton. Which vitamin is known for its role in maintaining healthy vision? A. Vitamin A. What is the term for the hard outer layer of bones? B. Periosteum. What part of the cell contains the genetic material DNA? C. Nucleus. What is the function of the human brain? B. To process information, which organ is responsible for the sense of smell? B. Nose. What is the name of the process by which humans convert food into energy? B. Respiration is the lightest element in the periodic table. A. Hydrogen. What is the term for a substance that cannot be broken down into simpler substances? C. Element. Which element is known as the king of chemicals? B. Oxygen. What is the main difference between a mixture and a compound? A. Mixtures can be separated by physical means. What type of chemical bond results from the transfer of electrons? B. Ionic bond. What is the name of the process where a solid turns directly into gas? C. Sublimation. What is the term for the quantity of matter in an object measured in kilograms? B. Mass. What type of wave requires a medium to travel through? C. Mechanical wave. What is the name of the force that acts on objects in motion through the air? A. Air resistance. What phenomenon occurs when light waves change direction as they enter a different medium? B. Refraction. What is the term for energy stored in an object due to its position or state? B. Potential energy. What is the principle that states the volume of a gas decreases with increasing pressure if the temperature stays the same? B. Boyle's law. What part of the human skeleton protects the heart and lungs? C. Rib cage. What is the primary function of the human stomach? C. To digest food. Which blood type is considered the universal recipient? B. AB positive. What part of the body is primarily responsible for producing red blood cells? C. Bone marrow. What is the term for the group of muscles that move the skeleton? C. Skeletal muscles. How many chambers does a human heart have? B. 4. What is the standard atomic weight of carbon? A. 12.01. What is the term for the smallest particle of a chemical element? C. Atom. What is the name given to the vertical columns in the periodic table? B. Groups. What is the chemical formula for water? A. H2O. Which element is a liquid at room temperature? A. Mercury. What is the term for a reaction that absorbs heat? B. Endothermic reaction. Who is known for developing the theory of relativity? B. Albert Einstein. What is the term for the amount of matter in an object? B. Mass. What is the unit of power in the International System of Units, SI? B. Watt. What is the term for the current that flows in only one direction? B. Direct current. In physics, what is the term for the number of waves that pass a point in 1 second? A. Frequency. What law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed? A. Law of conservation of energy. Which part of the human body is affected by asthma? B. Lungs. What is the term for the ability to see in 3 dimensions and perceive distance? A. Depth perception. Which vitamin is essential for the clotting of blood? A. Vitamin K. What is the largest muscle in the human body? B. Gluteus maximus. Which organ system in the human body is responsible for removing toxins and waste? B. Excretory system. What is the term for the involuntary movement of air in and out of the lungs? A. Breathing. What is the most abundant element in the human body? B. Oxygen. What is the term for a solution that has a pH greater than 7? C. Basic. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Au. What is the name of the element with the atomic number 1? Which type of chemical reaction involves the exchange of ions between compounds? C. Double displacement reaction. What is the pH value of a strong acid? A. Around 1. What type of motion is characterized by an object moving in a circle at a constant speed? C. Circular motion. What is the unit used to measure electric current? C. Ampere. What is the term for the attractive force between 2 objects due to their mass? C. Gravitational force. What is the term for the change in pitch or frequency due to the relative motion of a source and an observer? A. Doppler effect. What is the name of the process by which a liquid turns into a gas? C. Evaporation. What phenomenon describes the bending of a wave around the edge of an obstacle? B. Diffraction.